Bubby, what you got? You got your ball? That's your walking ball, right? Because you tore that one up. So you walk with that one, right? Okay, good boy.
Oh, hey,
Hey, y'all. Good morning.
Continue on B27 for 1.5 kilometers.
Okay, so we are headed to Rubble. Well, first of all, hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. We are headed to Rubble Hill this morning.
Birkenkopf.
Birkenkopf. How you say it?
Birkenkopf, I think.
Is it Birkenkopf or Birkenkopf?
Birkenkopf.
Birkenkopf. So I am not the history buff, but I'll let Robert tell y'all about Rubble Hill.
In 600 meters, take the exit toward Karlsruhe, Weinfeld, and Esterding.
Hold on, shut up, girl.
No, it's a collection of the rubble from World War II, and they created a hill to, I guess, symbolize
Head south toward Heigelinstrasse.
what they went through and create a
Merge onto
monument at the top.
B27, then take the exit toward Karlsruhe.
Okay, so I didn't want to be disrespectful. So it has a beautiful view.
Take the exit toward Karlsruhe, then use the right lane to take the ramp to Karlsruhe.
It has a beautiful view at the top of the hill. Rob went a couple of, well, this is not a couple, the time is fine, but you said it was about 2018. So he came over for work. He went then and said it was just really, really beautiful. You know, it's very, you know, everything with history has two parts to it. So you don't want to just sit here and ignore the truth of a situation or of our history. So just going to enjoy it and get outside, get some fresh air, sweat, because it is a hill, it is a walk, I heard. So yep, I still look in a mess. Don't talk about my hair, don't talk about me, go judge someone else.
When are you gonna get it done?
What are you gonna do? You had them braids the whole time. It's real rough over here, it's real raggedy. Let's go hike Rubble Hill. No, excuse me. What is it?
It's Rubble Hill. That's the English.
That's the English translation. Birkenkopf.
We'll get there and see exactly how it's pronounced.
We probably both saying it incorrectly. No, you saying it. I'm thinking about how it's spelled.
Which means nothing.
It means everything.
Okay.
You asphalt. That means exit, y'all. I didn't call her nothing.
By dumping 15 million cubic meters of rubble from the city of Stuttgart, which was destroyed in 53 air raids during World War II. We just started. It's not super far, but it's far enough.
I think so. It's just fruit everywhere. That's what it said, 19. Yeah. I'm whispering just, I feel like it's just out of respect, but it's beautiful, but it's, you know, you can feel the heaviness of it, of what it actually represents, what it is, not even what it represents. Like, it's the actual rubble from air raids. And they were able to make a man-made mountain out of it. Was it a mountain?
They destroyed the entire city.
Yeah, the whole city of Stuttgart was destroyed, so it's heavy just to be here, but yeah. Rubble is so old. Look how old that is. Look at my hair. I got an afro on the front, so that was an experience. That was an experience, y'all. Like, I'm always grateful for the opportunity to learn and to, you know, receive a proper education. And you could definitely feel the energy up there is different. You know, history is a nasty thing. It's very ugly. It's beautiful.
You want some cherries?
It's human. So it's very unfortunate, but I'm glad we got to experience that. He gonna pick me. What is it?
Is it cherry?
Is it? This isn't a grape. It's too fine.
I get a little high.
Go ahead, climb it.
No,
I dare you. See, I know you don't want to. You want. You got mad when I said you want to do it. Oh, thank you, baby. Look at you. Who are you, Mr. Harlem? How do you feel?
I'm fine. How do you feel?
I mean, you know, I feel, you know, I can feel it, but I don't know. Ain't it crazy how they tell us not to eat stuff that comes from the land?
Is it right?
Oh, these are plums.
Okay.
Oh.
Is it good?
It's tart. Ooh. Look at me, y'all.
Look at those. You see the ones over there? How much darker they are?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, those are ripe. Y'all, we out here hiking. Robin done picked me some fruit. I don't know who we are.
Sounds crispy.
It's good.
Crunchy.
And say the comments to yourself. You throwing McDonald's back. Don't talk to me about eating no fruit from the land. That's really good. Alright, y'all, so we are at Mr. Wash. This was recommended by Stefan, our car salesman. This is a nice place to come get your car detailed, and that's what we needed. We needed the car detailed. So Rob is in line waiting for the slots to open for the hand wax. So we are going to wait and get that done, and then we're headed out probably to get some food. Got us a good walk-in, good workout, good sweat going, and we ran a couple of errands. After that, just went to the store, just picked up a few things I needed for like laundry, personal hygiene, that's all, like little stuff or whatever. So we were just out getting some stuff done, washing the car, just trying to create some sense of normalcy, a routine of sorts, because the car needed to get clean and it didn't even feel right without it being properly waxed, get the leather conditioned. So it's cool. Like, we're just enjoying our Saturday, and I'm chilling at the car wash with Rob. I enjoy being with him. It doesn't matter what we're doing. So for me, I'm cool just hopping in the passenger side, and y'all already know, being a princess. So I'll pick y'all back up later.